I'll say is a chartered accountant can give you solution for almost all your problems as far as dealing with the government is concerned. Okay, so chartered accountant is actually jack of all trades. They can handle all your queries, whether it be tax, whether it be your compliances, any permissions you're supposed to take from government, any kind of business you have with the government.
When I talk about taxes, what we are essentially saying, the government says, okay, I'm providing all the services to a particular citizen, right? Roads are there, all the infrastructure is there, security is there. So government says, okay, if I'm providing you these services, how are you paying me back? Or how do I generate those funds to provide these services to you? So government says, if you earn something, when you're earning this income of yours, essentially you're making use of all these services and infrastructure. So the government imposes a particular tax on your income, which is essentially income tax. The laws are so stringent that if you don't file it, they will catch you anyhow. Because now what has happened, because of the IT coming in, government has multiple avenues from which it can gather information. If you have a certain income, they will come to know of it.
If there is somebody who's drawing a salary, it's pretty easy because it's the employer's duty to actually deduct certain tax from the salary income he's paying to a particular person, and he pays that to the government. So the government gets the tax from the employer, not the employee. Talking about non-salaried people, the government has imposed this responsibility on the person himself who is earning this money. So there are two ways to look at it. Now, talking about filing your income tax returns. Income tax returns for an individual have to be filed by a particular date, which is 31st July of a particular year. So you actually can approach a chartered accountant or somebody who's conversant with it. It's not very technical. The government is trying to reduce the complexities involved in filing your ITR. So there are many websites also which provide you the solutions where you can file your ITR by yourself.